sun rises over the sparkling sea. A peaceful beach wakes up with gentle waves, soft footsteps in the sand, and happy laughter carried by the ocean breeze. This is a special beach where friends come together to play, share, and smile. Near the shoreline, Dreamy Misty kneels in the sand, carefully placing seashells into a pretty pattern. She smiles softly and says, "Listening to the waves makes me feel calm and happy." Under a bright beach umbrella, lovely Twinkly shares her bucket and gives a sweet little bow. She laughs and says, "Sharing makes beach time even better." By a growing sandcastle, Twinkly Sapphire pats the sand gently and claps with joy. She looks at her friends and says, "Building together is the best way to learn." At the water's edge, Aqua Turquoise splashes his toes in the shallow waves and giggles. He waves and calls out, "Come on, friends, let's play together." Soon the friends meet on the warm sand, holding hands and smiling wide. The sun shines brighter, the ocean sparkles, and happiness fills the air. Are you ready to sing, dance, and play with them? It's a happy day at the beach! Dreamy, lovely, twinkly, Aqua, happy day! Ready? Let's sing together. Dreamy, dreamy, wake up now. Lovely, lovely, take a bow. Twinkly, twinkly, shine so bright. Aqua, aqua, splash delight. Happy day, jump, jump, jump and play. Happy day, sing and smile today. Dreamy, lovely, 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 twinkly, twinkly, aqua, aqua. Together. Friends, friends, friends. Woo. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Woo, woo. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Woo, woo. Spin around, turn around. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Take a seat. Woo. Happy day, jump, jump, jump and play. Happy day, sing and smile today.